And girls, here we are at Number Corner. So yesterday was Tuesday, and we had a jar of peanut butter, which was a cylinder. So I want you to think about what might come next. Look at our observation grid. See if you can figure that out. What number is going to be underneath there? So today is Wednesday. What number do you think? Here, and you go at 2, right? Because after 1, we know comes 2. Good. You have any idea what might come next? I'm thinking some of you are saying a shape, 3-dimensional shape. Yeah, you're right. Do you think it's a cylinder, rectangular prism, sphere, or cube? What do you think? So it's crayons. What shape is this? And how can you tell? So is this a cylinder, rectangular prism, a sphere, or a cube? What do you think? Well, what shapes do you see on here? What shape is the outside here? So look where I'm using my finger and I'm drawing. That is a rectangle. So what 3-dimensional shape do you think this is? A rectangular prism, because it looks like a rectangle and it's 3-dimensional. Rectangular prism. So I'm going to use my marker and I'm going to put today's date, which is Wednesday, December 2nd. So 12-2-20. Now we're going to go under the rectangular prism and put crayon box. Let's go over and change our date. Yesterday we said was December 1st, 2020. What is today? What do you think? If yesterday was the 1st, what do we change our day to? We leave the 12 because it's still December. We're also leaving the 2020 because it's the same year. What am I changing the 1 to? What comes after 1 on our calendar? 2. So it's 12-2-20 for December 2nd, 2020. And I'm going to mark an X for our days in school. Yesterday was 61. What is today? I'm going to bring it over a little bit closer so you can think about how you're getting that answer. What is today? What are you doing to get that answer? Well, I'm thinking some of you know that half of a 100's chart is 50, but we have an extra 10 and 2 ones. So I know that 50, 60, 61, 62. How else could you get that? Well, let's count by tens. Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So how many tens? 6 tens. And how many extra ones? 1, 2, 2 ones. So our answer is 61. We're going to take a look at our number line down here. So we're starting all the way over here on 51. What comes after 51? 52. What about if I skip 1 and I go to my next? So 52, skip 1, what goes under here? 54. What if I skip another one and I come here? 56, good. I want to skip another one. What comes next? 56, 58. What about right here? Look where I'm pointing. So I'm skipping 1 again. It's a brand new decade, we call it. What number is here? 60. What about if I skip 5? What is under here? If I add 5 to the number 60, what will I get? 65. Good. about if I add 5 more? What's our last number way over here? So I have 65 and I want to add 5 more. What will my answer be? Well, I'm going to count down. So 65. Put 65 in your head and count on with me. 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Great job. All right, have a happy Wednesday, and I will see you all in Seesaw.